Hello everyone, welcome to my Learn and Grow with Divya YouTube channel. If you like my content, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.
Everyone, in this video I'm explaining about perfect squares and square roots. Explanation. For example, 5 square. Here 5 is base and 2 is exponent. So 5 square is equal to 5 into 5, that is equal to 25. And 5 square is exponent form. 5 into 5, this is expanded form. 25 is standard form. So 5 square is equal to 25 and root 25, that is equal to root 5 into 5, root 5 square, that is equal to root 25 is equal to 5. So square means exponent of 2. Square root means opposite of a square. Let's see. Square and square root table. Squares, square roots. 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36, and 7 square is equal to 49, 8 square is equal to 64, 9 square is equal to 81, 10 square is equal to 100. Same, root 1 is equal to 1, root 4 is equal to 2, root 9 is equal to 3, root 16 is equal to 4, root 25 is equal to 5, root 36 is equal to 6, root 49 is equal to 7, root 64 is equal to 8, root 81 is equal to 9, root 100 is equal to 10. Root 625 is equal to 25, and 25 square is equal to 625. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching my videos friends. If you like my content, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And click the bell icon for my every video notification.